In the Honorable Court of Delhi at New Delhi, extraordinary writ jurisdiction in the matter of Delhi Transport Corporation versus RPFC, yani Regional Provident Fund Commissioner. This matter is urgent application along with all the copies of the orders of Supreme Court and notice giving to them and judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India. Kolkata Transport Corporation Civil Appeal Number. Argument reply against the necessary and uncalled for the days of in reference by way of setting the reference of the double bench cases. DTC has moved in present writ petition obtaining the exemption only in respect of a class of employees, a prayer which cannot be granted under the provisions of this Act. Honorable Supreme Court, the DTC Transport Corporation given spelt out in the affidavit before the Supreme Court of India. The office order dated 27/11/1992 was totally lack of all these necessary binding and legal requirements and hence failed in starting disbursement the pension of the part of the employees as 11/1/1995 committee was before the Supreme Court of India by the ASG. The next criminal and civil wrong committed by the petitioner DTC respondent that despite being a clear provision in 16B of EPF and 16C of the Amendment Act came into the effect 1 March 1999 to further sustain the facts EPF 95. Needless to say that the criminal wrongs were come into the notice of DTC. They addressed number of letters till June 1999, also December 2004, and refund the total compensation RPFC extension benefits to DTC and all existing employee except from the para said the letter respondent as under. This time DTC is not miserably failed to restore the right of the pension to remaining employees, but instead of correcting the past criminal wrongs took totally unlawful stand by the DTC. In the last but not the least, Delhi Transport Corporation wide order dated 27/2005 conveying the obstructions any other consequential relief.